Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. So I am doing this video on the oil maintenance light, and it comes on when you first start your car. This is a 2010 Highlander. So this video is on how to reset that light. So basically what you're gonna do is, my car is on right now. You're gonna have to press the odometer. It's on trip A. All right, make sure it's on trip A. What you're gonna do is you're gonna turn your car off, and you're gonna, once it's off, you're gonna hold this. You're gonna hold the odometer. You're gonna hold the button, and then you're gonna press it on at the same time without turning your car on. So right away it says resetting oil maintenance data. Obviously, I'm holding it. Just keep on holding it. And it's doing a system check right now, and it's not. So I pressed it off. I took my finger off that, turned it back on with the car on, and as you guys can see, that message is no longer there. So I just pretty much reset it. So basically what I'm gonna do is, I didn't change my oil. All right, I got 280,000 miles on it. Last time I changed it was probably around like 275. But here's the thing about it. I put in synthetic oil, Supertech synthetic, long, what's it? High mileage synthetic. And I'm probably not going to change it until it gets to 280, I don't know, 284, something like that, because the oil filter that I put in there, the oil filter that I changed up is also high mileage synthetic oil filter for synthetic oils. And I'm just going to leave it like that. But that's how you guys change the reset the oil maintenance light, guys. All right, guys, have any suggestions, any comments? Please leave your comments in the comment section. All right, guys, and please give me a thumbs up. You guys can do that. Appreciate it. All right, guys, take care.